again to an exciting day here with Honor. We're so happy to have all of you with us, our media friends, esteemed partners from TikTok Shop, and our DSP partners, parents, students, young professionals, and of course, the next generation of creators, achievers, and game changers. So, give yourself a great round of applause. Grabe, walang energy. Palapok! Yan! Thank you. Before anything else, I'd like to thank, of course, our brand marketing team from Honor for making this event possible. And of course, TikTok Shop Philippines for this partnership. Again, a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. There's a reason why we chose TikTok Shop to have this exclusive launch of our newest tablet with. Because in the past 3 years, we were them. We grew to an astounding 978% year-on-year growth since 2023. That is truly and absolutely crazy to think about. Our previous generation tablet, the Honor Pad X8A, was also the #1 selling tablet from Q3 to Q4 of 2025. Moreover, with the success of our Honor Super Brand Day last year, which by the way is the biggest campaign to be given to brands, we achieved a total of 250% of our target. Grabe. That's why we were selected once again as one of the few brands to run this prestigious campaign. Of course, in support of our Honor Pad X8B's new arrival. So quick round of applause again, everyone. Thank you. Today is all about the people who are always on the move. Students chasing deadlines, parents managing everything all at once, young professionals building their future, and families balancing work, school, and everyday life. Because when life gets tough, your device should be tougher. That's why we are very proud to introduce the all-new Honor Pad X8B, the tablet made tough. Kunwari meron ako. Yan. The Honor Pad X8B is built for real life. Why is that? It's designed to handle busy backpacks, crowded commutes, unexpected bumps, even sticky toddler hands, non-stop multitasking, and the everyday hustle and bustle of life, whilst delivering performance, style, and of course, the value you need. For students, this is your ultimate bestie. Perfect for classes, note-taking, researching projects, and of course, your well-deserved TikTok breaks after exams. For parents, this is your everyday life partner. Great for educational videos for toddlers, family entertainment, video calls with loved ones, and a dependable device for the whole family to share. For young professionals starting their journey like me, this is your smart productivity companion, ideal for your emails, your presentations, your online meetings, your side hustles, or even learning new skills and staying connected wherever you go. Because here at Honor, we believe great technology should fit real people and real lifestyles. It should be reliable, affordable, stylish, and of course, durable. Ready for whatever the day brings. So, whether you're on study mode, parent mode, if that's even a thing, work mode, or chill mode, the Honor Pad X8B is ready for it all. Tough, dependable, and built to last. Again, a huge appreciation to all of you for being here today. I'm sure you guys have a very busy schedule. I hope you're ready to meet the tablet made tough. Once again, I am AC De Guzman, the e-commerce manager for Honor Philippines, And welcome to our grand launch for the all-new Honor Pasay City. Thanks again and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.